I was cheated by you, and I think you know when. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul.
Come on, girl!
Just one look and I can hear a bell ring.
I've never felt closer to my mom. She wasn't scared because she had me.
Mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist?
We can't tell anybody else about the baby, okay?
I just told Bill.
Yeah, and I told Harry. I told many, many people.
Whoa, mamma mia.
Hallo girls, so vanjaar vier Finesse haar 20ste bestaanjaar en ons wil dit vier met 'n wêreldrekord. So ek wil jou nooi om saam met Finesse en 'n klomp bekendes Mamma Mia te gaan kyk in julle pyjamas op die 8ste Augustus. Hoop ek sien jou daar.